A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the next topic, that is binary files in Python file handling. So let's see how to create binary files. Here in this example we have a simple function with the name as binary underscore file underscore create. So in this function we have opened the file with the name as bfile.bin. .bin is an extension for the binary files. So we have opened this file in the binary format for writing because here the access mode is WB. Next we have generated the list with the name as num equals to 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So these are the 5 values in this variable num, which is a list. So now I am using the byte array function to convert this given list into the stream of bytes in the form of array. Reason being because in files everything is written in the form of bytes, right? So we have converted this given list into a stream of bytes, and then we are writing this complete sequence of bytes in the file using f.write this arr variable, and then we have closed the file, and then we have printed that binary file has been created. So when we see the content of the binary file on the editor, we see that there are certain junk characters because binary file is not viewable on the text editors. Next concept we talk about pickling and unpickling using the pickle module. So we use the Python module pickle for structured data such as list or directory to a file. So pickling refers to the process of converting the structure to a byte stream before writing to a file. That means we are converting a structure like list to a sequence of bytes, that means a byte stream, before we write into a file. So this process is known as pickling. While reading the contents of the file, a reverse process called unpickling is used to convert the byte streams back to the original structure. So this concept is known as unpickling. That means we are converting the byte stream back into the original form, that is the list structure. So first we need to import the module pickle. It provides two main methods for this purpose. First one is the dump method, second is the load method. So let's see both these functions one by one. So using this pickle.dump method, so we have this method to write the object in file which is opened in the binary access mode. So do remember, whenever we are dealing with the binary files, to load some data or to dump the data into the file, we use the pickle module. So the syntax of using this dump method is dump in the bracket object comma file object. Here object refers to any Python object like list or any sequence, and next is the file object, that is the file pointer which is used for referring to the files. So here is a short program to write the list of sequence in a binary file using the pickle.dump method. So we have created a function with the name as bin underscore create. We have imported the pickle module. It is not mandatory to import a pickle module inside a function. We can import in our program anywhere at the first line also. So next is list 1. We have a list over here. We have opened the file list.dat, that is a data file, in the binary format for writing because we have to dump this particular list into the file. So we have used which function? The dump function. So pickle.dump in the bracket list1 comma f. That means we are going to dump this object, that is the list1, into the file pointed by this file object f. And then finally we have printed a message that information added to the binary file, and we have closed this file. Now once you try to open this file in the Python editor to see the content, the Python is going to generate the decoding error over here because this file is not readable in our text editor. Next method is the pickle.load method. This method is used to read the binary file. So what if I want to load the data from my binary file and I want to display onto the screen? So a function is defined with the name as bin underscore read underscore file. So this function is used to read, that means to load data from a binary file list.dat. Okay, so for this we have used the function pickle.load in the bracket as f. That means we are going to load the complete byte stream from this file list using this object f, file object, and we have loaded the complete content of this file into this variable list1. So here list1 is going to contain the content of the binary file. So we have printed the content and we have closed the file. So once you try to open this list.dat file in Python editor to see the content, so Python is going to generate this content as it is, because it was loaded from the file and it is into the list1 data structure over here, and we can see. So this process is known as unpickling using the load method. Okay, so the brief summary is pickling basically is used for using the dump function, and unpickling can be used through this load function. That's all for today's class. Thank you.